Hi! In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 9 and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. Start by going into settings and clicking on sound and vibration. Now you need to scroll down and click on shortcut to prevent ringing. Over here you can set up vibrate if it's not already on by clicking on it. Then go back, scroll all the way down and click on vibration and haptic. Then switch on or off all of vibration settings by tapping on this sweater over here. Now you can click on also vibrate vocals and select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to tap on it and go back. Lastly, adjust vibration intensity of incoming calls, notifications, and touch feedback by swiping left or right on all of those sliders. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!